Changing your T-Mobile gateway's Wi-Fi name and password improves security and personalization. First, connect to your gateway using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Log in using admin credentials, typically found on the gateway's label. Navigate to the Wi-Fi or network settings section. Update your SSID to a unique name and set a new password. Choose a strong password with at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider WPA3 encryption for better security. Save your changes, then reconnect devices with the new password and reboot the gateway to apply updates. Securing your T-Mobile gateway involves changing the default admin credentials. Access your gateway's settings via the T-Mobile Internet app or web interface. Look for the Administration or Systems section. Here, you can change the default username, typically admin, and password. Use a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized access, aligning with cybersecurity best practices. Save the changes and make sure to remember the new credentials. As a security measure, T-Mobile may require two-factor authentication, 2FA, when making these changes through the app, providing an extra layer of protection. Regularly updating these credentials and keeping your firmware updated are critical steps in protecting your home network. Experts advise quarterly password changes to mitigate risks.